Hey guys, welcome back to themetalfinisher.com. Today we are going to be talking about Empire abrasive equipment and my top 10 favorite products they offer. Now a little birdie from Clemco told me that this was going to be a really boring video. I hope he's wrong, but you never know with us.
Stop making fun of me.
So stay tuned. I got ants in my pants and I need to dance. Alright guys, let's jump right into it. And just a reminder, this is my top 10 Empire abrasive products. So you may have some different products that you like better. And also these are going to be in no particular order. So to get started, number 1, Empire Super Blast Portables. These are blast pots. They come in 350, the 650, and the 1050. The 350 being 3.5 cubic feet. The 650, 6.5, and then obviously the 1050, the 10.5 cubic foot. With this, you have the option of the electrical or the pneumatic deadman control. Now, if your hose is going to be running 100 feet or more, we suggest you go with the electric deadman, so you're not waiting a long time for all that abrasive and air to pass through your hose and your nozzle. With the super pots, you also get the option of the full OSHA package to keep your operators safe and keep your operators comfortable. The one thing I really like about the Empire pots over all the other manufacturers of blast pots is the Empire SureFlow grit valve. It utilizes a gum rubber pinch tube which can be easily replaced, and it's a wear item that costs less than $50 and you don't need any special tools. Number 2, Empire's PRS blast and recovery systems. If you're looking to move to a more durable blast abrasive that can be reused, you're going to experience a very attractive ROI. These durable medias are faster acting and are less dusty, which equals greater productivity and a cleaner workspace. Let's talk a little bit how the Empire PRS blast and recovery system works. Let's say you've emptied out your hopper and your pot, or you just want to take a break for a little bit. You're just going to simply sweep all that abrasive into the sweep chute. It's going to be pulled up to the Empire reclaim system, where it's going to place the good media back into your hopper and pot while pulling out all the dust and fines. Number 3, Empire pre-engineered booths. Now Empire has 3 categories of blast rooms that they offer. The first being the PEB we're talking about now, or the pre-engineered booth. The second is the packaged rooms, and then lastly is the engineered field erected rooms. Now the PEB offers several OSHA compliant options at the fraction of the cost of your engineered field erected room. And since they're pre-engineered, they can usually ship out to you between 6 and 8 weeks, which is much less than your engineered field erected room. With this blast booth, Empire offers various options when it comes to blast and media recovery, dust collection, and operator safety. Number 4, Empire's modified cabinets. Now this isn't necessarily a product, but rather a category of products. With Empire modified cabinets, the sky is the limit. They can tailor make a modified cabinet to your specific workpiece or process. Within this category, there's various options. You can have manual, semi-automation, pass-through, dual operators. There's a whole bunch. I'm not going to go through them all. For some examples, you can look up here at the website behind me, or you can go directly to Ampire-AirBlast.com and make sure you let them know that we sent you. Number 5, Empire's indexing turntables. From my experience, these are very popular systems within the automotive and firearm manufacturers. The indexing turntable offers precise positioning of your workpiece in front of the blast nozzles to ensure or guarantee process repeatability. This system offers from anywhere from 2 to 24 rotating part stations. You also have the option for stationary blast nozzles, horizontal or vertical linear operations, and also robotic movements. Number 6, the Empire rotary head systems. These systems were originally pioneered by Empire over 35 years ago. Let's take a quick look at one of these in action. With this unit, Empire offers 4, 6, and 9 suction gun arrangements. The guns are mounted on a rotating assembly with universally adjustable arms to position each blast gun. You can also turn each gun on or off to reduce air consumption when blasting non-complex parts. Rotary head speed is easily adjustable from 0 to 60 RPMs. Number 7, Ampire's basket blasters. Today we're specifically talking about the BB2 and the BB4, but they do have some smaller models that we'll talk about in another video. This unit offers accelerated finishing of small parts, and best of all, they offer repeatable results. How does it work? I'm glad you asked. Basically, all you gotta do is load your parts, set the timer, and let the basket blaster do the rest. Number 8. This unit we're looking at right here falls under the modified category of the Ampire-AirBlast cabinets. Reason being is the end user, 90% of their parts can fit inside the dimensions of this cabinet. The other 10% were just too long. So they were wondering, is there any modification we can make where we could get all of our parts blasted in one unit? So Ampire came up with the idea of having vestibules at each end. Then the end user was able to feed their part foot by foot and get their blasting done. No, it's not 8. Number 9, the packaged blast room systems. These are fully welded packaged rooms that are designed for those that just don't have the time or the manpower to install those field erected rooms. They come with 11 gauge ceiling and wall panels and have several different options for media recovery. And finally, number 10, the Ampire Pro Finish manual blast cabinets. And we're not just talking about one unit right now. This is going to be a twofer. First, we're going to talk about the pressure. If you need to remove a coating or remove rust very quickly, the Ampire Pro Finish pressure is going to be great for you. It's much faster than the suction, more aggressive. But if you need to continuously blast, you have a ton of parts you got to blast and you just don't have the time to take your foot off that pedal to let the pot replenish with abrasive, then the suction's the way to go. It's going to be a little bit slower, or several times slower, but you're going to be able to sit on that pedal until all that media, it goes through cycle after cycle till it breaks down and gets turned to dust and pulled to your collector. Another good thing, we're talking about manual cabinets now, but for automation, suction's usually the way to go because you need continuous blasting and automation. Well, that's about it for today. Thanks for joining us again at themetalfinisher.com. Klemko, I hope we weren't too boring for you, but if we were, go ahead and leave a comment down below. Let us know how we can make these videos better and more entertaining for you. If you have any product or process reviews you'd like us to tackle, go ahead and leave those also down below in the comments section. Please go ahead and like us on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and while you're at it, head on over to Ampire-AirBlast.com, check out all the neat stuff we talked about today, and they also have a YouTube channel where they show a lot of these machines in action. Thanks again for joining us, and we'll see you soon.